Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. So we got an unexpected surprise and we had to get new tires. So this is for a Lexus RX and this is a Lexus RX350L all-wheel drive, and these are wearing 20-inch wheels, by the way, and it looks beautiful, the 20-inch wheels. What do you think? So if you want the softer ride, definitely don't get the 20-inch wheels, get the 18-inch wheels. And not the Michelin Defender, but definitely the Michelin that came with the car, the Premier. So 235 55 R20. So you can walk around and take a look at this. So as you know, Defender LTX Mud and Snow, it says it's made in the US of A, which is great. And just take a look. Yes, it was raining, and yes, we've been driving in the rain, and yes, it's a little bit dirty. And they didn't get to clean it because it's after hours. So what do you look in a tire? Well, for me, you look at traction, all right, and how many tread wear, how long it lasts, right? So why it's gonna keep on paying for tires, and also with no traction. So if you're looking for similar, definitely do some research. Traction is important. Most tires are good in the sun, but when it rains, the traction won't be so good. So that's a big thing, right? And also a lot of tires are good when they're new, but when you get older, when the treadwear wears down, then that's when you start having problems. So there's not many tires companies out there, but Michelin has been the one that we relied on the most, and we actually like Michelin most of the cases. The other ones may be really good is Continentals are really good. We have good experience with Continental as well too. So if you want to save some money, maybe look into Continental as well. So these are the treadwear down in the bottom over there. And yeah, these are nice size tires for the SUV and light truck. All right. And one thing about tires, when you get tires, make sure you do rotate them, maybe say every 5,000 miles or 10,000 miles or so, and also get a wheel alignment. So unless you got the car new and you're going to swap the tires out immediately, it's worthwhile to get alignment because you want them to wear evenly, and don't overinflate or underinflate the air in the tires. So that's something to note. Treadwear is about 720. Temperature's A and traction's A. So pretty much the treadwear is very important. If you read that little number over there, you actually could find out, how long the tires will last. Pretty much. Some of them don't have many. The treadwear is really low, and the tire's not going to last long. Yes, they balanced it, and then you can see the weights through the wheel over there. And overall, we've been driving it, and it's been a great tire. No problems at all. If you have a comment to share on the Defender or the Defender 2 or other tires, please post it in the comments. And I really appreciate a thumbs up. You made it this far. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.